To replace the rear window wiper blade on a Chevy Equinox, you will need a new blade and something thin to press a tab, like a screwdriver, key, or in my case, a popsicle stick. To start, we first have to lift on the blade cover by where it is connected to the window until it pops. Then slide it to the left to release a clip and lift it off. To remove the old blade, push on the blade towards the right while pressing on the tab as shown. I'm using a popsicle stick to do this, but you can use something else that can fit here. Now that the old blade has been removed, we can install the new blade. Slide the new blade on like so until it clicks into place. Now we just need to reinstall the cover. Line up the plastic tab so that it fits just after the metal loop and slide it to the right. Then press on the end that connects to the window until it snaps into place. Done! Thank you for watching, and please like the video.